Namaste guys, Durga here. Thank you for joining me for this sketch time lapse video. I hope you guys enjoyed this process. I loved when I was doing this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button please. I made this outline using grid method, for which I will provide the link in the description or in the iCard if you guys want to check it out. Well, for this sketch I have made use of soft charcoal pencils and graphite pencils, which are 2H, 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B, and a mechanical pencil. This is my second attempt to using charcoal pencils, and I was a bit nervous when I started, as I thought it would ruin my sketches because I don't use charcoal much, but I thought I would give it a try and let's see how it turns out to be. I started off here by using charcoal pencils for the areas that are gonna be dark, like the eyeball and the eyebrows, and gave it a smudge. Well, it really looks good and realistic. Maybe I should make use of them more often now. For the shading of the face, I have used 2H, 2B and 4B pencils and a tissue and a paper stump for blending. One thing what I learned during the process was charcoal pencils cannot be used on graphite. So whenever you make use of charcoal, use it directly on the paper and then make use of graphite pencils. If you guys want to know how to make a paper stump at home, let me know in the comments below. I will make a video on how I have made one for myself. For the hair, I am making use of charcoal pencils first and then blending it, and then making use of a darker pencils like 6B or 8B to shade, and using a pencil eraser for giving the highlights. Whenever you make use of a tissue for blending lighter areas, use a new tissue, not a used one, or else it will leave a very dark blending, as you can see how it's done in my drawing. Pencil erasers and kneaded erasers are really good for getting those highlights. I will provide the link for all the materials that I use in the description. Do check it out. I also make use of pigment pens in my drawings to give the details. Like in this drawing I have used it for the earring and the dress. For doing the background, I am gonna make use of graphite powder. I'll put some graphite powder onto the sheet with the help of a brush and then smudge it with a tissue. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you liked the video, please give it a like, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do consider subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye.